Alright, so before we move on towards our next module, let's test our knowledge that what we have learned in this module. So here is an assignment that I want you to solve by using Python. First of all, you'll have to ask the user to enter two numbers. For example, here, first of all, you say enter first number, user enters 7. Again, just for the sake of example. Then you say enter second number, user enters 4. Okay, and that's it. User has to enter only these two numbers. So for these two numbers, you will have to display 6 values for different 6 arithmetic operations. You'll have to show what is the sum of these two entered numbers exactly with this line. Then what is the difference of these two numbers? What is the product of these two numbers? Quotient of these two numbers. Quotient means the answer of division. What is the modulus? And what is the exponential of these two numbers, right? You can check out these statements, and I want you to write exactly these same statements in the output. Let's see if you can do it. It will be great if you can do it. Otherwise, you can find the solution in next video. But I highly encourage you guys to do it. At least try it by yourself.